First, our questions finally answered by the governor tonight. After days of questioning, we're hearing how the state will get a handle on counties crippled by the virus. In fact, both San Joaquin and Stanislaus counties say they're running out of ICU beds and need more staff.
So where are the state's touted health corps workers? CBS 13's Marissa Perlman asked the governor today. She is live in Sacramento getting answers. Marissa.
Yeah, well, if you remember earlier this week, the governor said thousands of medical staff are ready and available to be deployed to some of the hardest hit counties in our area. Well, tonight we're learning that's not true. And the governor tonight still standing behind this program, despite it barely being put into action.
Health Corps is one component, and we're very proud of that process and very proud of the hundreds and hundreds of people that have been deployed throughout the state.
Hundreds, not thousands of Health Corps staff. Still not enough who are qualified to staff our ICUs. On Wednesday, Governor Newsom said 35,000 medical staffers are available from California's Health Corps, but we found that number to be off. So today, we asked the governor about it.
You've been saying there are 35,000 Health Corps members ready to be deployed to assist with this crisis, but we've learned most aren't actually qualified to work in an ICU or have the license to respond. So can you clarify how many healthcare clinicians are ready and able to be deployed to hospitals right now?
Yeah, I have the exact number, and forgive me, I'm going to make sure that our team sends it to you.
The governor's team did get back to us on that. As of this week, a little over 700 volunteers are ready to be deployed. When the governor talked about thousands of volunteers, he was referring to the total number of medical staff with any valid certification who signed up. That includes vets and dentists.
That's the approach we're taking, not just the Health Corps. Health Corps is one component, an important component, but is not the totality in terms of the health support.
The governor's team now going back to the drawing board and reaching out to the health professionals, almost 4,000 of them, who are qualified to help relieve our hospitals.
We went back, we resurveyed those folks that are in our system, and we began to segment our needs with more acuity.
And so we did check in today with San Joaquin County officials. If you remember, they're one of the hardest hit counties in our area, still seeing 136% capacity in their ICU as of this Friday. And once again, we checked in with them about the Health Corps. They have not made any requests for any Health Corps staff to be sent to San Joaquin County as of this Friday.